Hey everyone! Welcome back to Guide Pro, your go-to channel for simple Android tips that actually work. Is your Android phone battery dying too quickly? Don't worry, I'll show you fast ways to stop battery drain and make your phone last longer, starting right now. Step 1. Check battery usage. Go to Settings, Battery Usage. See which apps are using the most battery. If an app is consuming too much power, either close it when not needed, limit its background activity. Step 2. Turn off location when not needed. GPS drains battery fast. Go to Settings, Location, Turn off. Or switch to battery saving mode to use only Wi-Fi and mobile networks for location. Step 3. Reduce screen brightness and time out. Your screen is the biggest battery drainer. Lower brightness manually or enable adaptive brightness. Go to Settings, Display, Sleep and reduce screen timeout. Step 4. Disable background apps and notifications. Apps running in the background drain battery silently. Go to Settings, Apps, select App, Battery, restrict background activity. Also, disable unnecessary notifications. Step 5. Turn off connectivity features. You don't need Bluetooth off when not using Wi-Fi. Off in places without Wi-Fi. NFC/hotspot off if and use. These small changes save a lot of power over time. Step 6. Enable battery saver/adaptive battery. Go to Settings, Battery saver/adaptive battery. This limits background activity and optimizes battery usage automatically. Bonus tip: update apps and systems. Sometimes battery drain is caused by buggy apps or outdated Android versions. Go to Settings, System, Software Update. Outro. That's it. Follow these steps and your Android battery will last much longer, often instantly. If this video helped, like it, subscribe to Guide Pro, and turn on notifications for more fast Android tips.